Tonight I'm making a creamy beef stroganoff using last night's leftovers from our pot roast. I'm just heating up a large pot of water for the pasta and then also heating up a large frying pan.
In the pan, melt the butter, then add the mushrooms and cook until softened and brown. Stir through the tomato paste, Dijon mustard and Worcestershire sauce. Add in the leftover French onion pot roast from last night. You can find this recipe in the previous video. It is so good. Stir through the sour cream and then the cooked pasta. I like to use these shells. Serve and season with salt and pepper, fresh herbs and some cheese on top if you like. Follow along for tomorrow's budget cut recipe.